How you doing, guys? Dave Models Railroad here. Sorry it's been a while since our last post, but life happens. Wanted to do a unboxing today of these signals I got from, unfortunately they came from China because I could not find anything here in the States, but they looked pretty amazing. Got them on eBay, the whole lot here, both boxes with what's inside. Only cost me, with shipping from overseas, cost me $40. So let's get right into it. So, first off, we have this nice cantilever for a road crossing. Pretty nice. It comes with your resistors, screws for mounting. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to glue mine down because mine is on foam. That would be the back side, and this here is the front side. Very nice, all metal construction. Comes with the leads, so just have to wire everything up. And then it's got some pretty nice weight to it. So that's going to be my nice cantilever setup that I have. Put that back in here. It's real fragile. We don't want to have this thing get busted. And look, already I'm putting it in backwards. Okay, so that's the first box. The second box has a couple of things in it. Here we have traffic lights with a control board. It will make the lights work, red, yellow, green. So there's the traffic lights. I like them. I think they're going to come out pretty nice. Those are the traffic lights. And here's the control panel. Unfortunately with these there's no instructions, so when you go to wire them, you have to go onto the website, their website. They give that to you right on eBay. I'll try and put a link in the description. And all this came about because we were trying to go for these, which I wanted New Jersey International. But I heard New Jersey International is not producing crossing gates right now. So they're both the same. So they're pretty nice. They have these connectors on them because they're made for their, going to their, they do have a circuit board, but it doesn't come with the sensors and everything to here's your wires for the signals. And of course, nice movement on the arms. Here. I'm just going to have to drill the little hole in here for the arm, or I'll try and hook it up on the back side here. It's got nice movement. So there we go. This is just a small little bit of these little connections. This is who I got them from on eBay. Let's see if we can get that in the focus there. We Honest, and I did see a few guys on the internet already have these. So that's what we have, and I hope you enjoyed, and part 2 will be with these installed on the layout. Thanks for watching, and remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you once we get them installed on the layout. Thanks, and have a great day.